Turkish forces evacuated their observation posts from the areas of the northeastern al-Hasakah province without giving any reasons, according to the Syrian Observatory for Human Rights War Monitor. The British-based War Monitor added that the Turkish forces withdrew from several villages in northeastern Syria, but it did not have information about why they had withdrawn. Turkish troops are present in northeastern Syria following their incursion into the area in 2019, aimed at displacing the Kurdish-led Syrian Democratic Forces (SDF) and establishing a «safe zone» in the border region. Turkey has an agreement with Russia to police northeastern Syria, where Turkish-aligned forces, the Syrian regime, and the SDF control different areas. Meanwhile, clashes in Idlib, northwestern Syria, continued on Tuesday.